Welcome to the Scale Aircraft Show, volume number 45. This will cover the 92 U.S. Scale Masters Championships in Irving, Texas. Welcome to downtown Irving, Texas. It's time for the 1992 U.S. Scale Masters Championships. We're at the Dallas Albany North. Thursday morning, static day. Beautiful weather in the 80s. Our static judges this morning, Bill DeVerna, judging Tommy Weems' aircraft. Tommy's from Texas. We have Darlene Fredericks from California. And Storman Norman Goyer from California, judging Eugene Job's Zero. This is a new aircraft. This isn't his old one. Friend Eduardo. Say hi, Eduardo.
Yes.
From Brazil, and his rear one. Dick's giving him a hand there. And yours truly with the old beat-up Albatross D5A. Next up in static. We have the newest aircraft from Proctor Enterprises, Aurora, Oregon. Dick Heining built this Eindecker 3 to show off his new Seidel radial engine. This will be the next kit from Proctor Enterprises. There's old Werner. Say hi, Werner.
Hi, Werner. Hi, Dick.
There's Mr. Top Gun himself, Charlie Nelson. Are you static yet, Charlie?
No, that's where I'm headed now.
Okay, it's a beauty. He's got another one under construction with a Seidel radial engine, right, Charlie?
I certainly do, yes, sir. Much larger airplane, about 30-pounder.
Hey, good luck to you, Charlie.
Thank you very much.
Meanwhile, back at the Eindecker 3, Dick Heiney's pet project, 1/4 scale, to show off his nice Seidel radial engine. It says this will probably be the next Proctor kit. Sure looks good. Test flights due up in about a month. Mr. Scale Master himself.
Oh.
Diego, have you been static yet?
I did. I'm
Great,
done.
great.
They've seen this airplane so many times, they don't have to see it static anymore.
Here's Wayne Fredericks, Fokker D8, or Razorback. Very colorful. Wayne's from California. He's the D from D&W Propellers. No, he's not. He's the W. What's wrong with me? D's for Darlene. Okay, Wayne. This is Hanson Scale Aviation Funnies. Nice airplane. Wayne just brought this for static. He's not flying. This J3 Cub. Mr. Crumley's here with his Cessna Bird Dog, and it's a beauty.
Yeah. Yeah. Charlie, take the tail and move back about 20.
What can you say, huh? What can we say?
That's good. Now you come back here.
Don Bauer from Montana, his first time at the Scale Masters Championships. He's really having a great time. He's got a great airplane. Flies like the real one.
Well, when you realize that none of all of this has to be manufactured.
Here we have the normal position of Shailesh Patel at all contests. working on his airplane. Is that right, Shalish?
Mr. Hatch? Right here. Okay, you're up next, right now.
It's this new F-86. He's so intent.
Here.
This is Shalish's new entry. Oh, Shalish knows how to do it, doesn't he? This is Chuck Sauter's Frank. Chuck's from Minnesota. And this is a Wayne Seward kit, or partial kit. He says it flies good. What does it weigh?
This one weighs about 37 pounds. It's a fiberglass skin wing with aluminum spar. It's pretty innovative, the wing.
Well, I flew his prototype down at Top Gun in the spring, and I kind of dropped it in for about 2 or 3 inches, nosed it over for him.
I seem to recall a...
That's enough, Werner. That's enough.
No-nonsense landing.
That's enough,
there.
Werner. Mr. Swatsky, T-34 Mentor. It's a partial kit from RT Associates, and they all fly good. Greg Singleton, Hawker Tempest.
That thing's screaming, what?
Phantom by Scott Foster.
Where'd you get your Easter Lake?
Focke Wolf by Mal Meter.
Oh, jeez.
Well, they're getting better every year, guys.
Don Bell won radio interface to put it in. Yeah, Irving. Don Bell. Super 7 radio.
Yeah, in the old days, had a good standing speed. Fairly strong.
This is Don Hatch's water bomber. Second place last year at Las Vegas. Don is in the middle of static. Second place winner, 1991 U.S. Scale Masters Championships. Mr. Tusa.
Yes.
I haven't seen you since the World Scale Championships.
Yes.
3 weeks, what, 4 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago.
About that. How you been?
Oh, just fine. And
Right.
you're smart. You get in the shade to do things, right?
Yeah, well, I moved it about because I was sweating so
Uh-huh.
much. And,
Is it true what I heard about you've painted this thing, then repainted it?
yeah, Yeah, I did it in Berthold's colors for the Nats.
Uh-huh.
And I test flew it once at off fields, my president of my club here, Gary Dennison, and went out to Nats, took 4 flights, come back on Monday and stripped it down after 5 flights. Did it in 8 days to get back to the Scale Master qualifier at Westfield.
Some guys got it, some guys ain't. Nick's got it.
I'm crazy, and I admit it.
Well, we're all a little crazy, aren't we, Nick?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, Eduardo's walking away with what, probably a 96 and a half. Mike Brewer and his lovely wife from Astoria, Oregon. Finally pulled in here, had a nice trip down, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And he brought his Albatross D5A. Beautiful as usual. Tried to get him to trade engines with me, but he won't do it.